Guys, welcome back to my channel. I had so much to do today. It is my day off. It is Monday, March 3rd, I believe. Wow, I can't even believe it's March. I'm actually very excited because it is my birthday month. Yay! Woo, I can't believe I'm going to be 25? No. I wish I was back in my 20s, but no, I'm gonna be 38 this month. I can't believe it. It's kind of scary, you guys. I'm not looking forward to 40, although everybody's telling me that 40 is great, and I'm going to trust them and believe them that 40 is good. I guess it's only a number. But today I did a lot. I did some prepping for the week for food. I already did the kids' lunches. My son's at soccer. It is almost 6 o'clock right now. I'm going to be organizing my makeup area. A lot of you are asking me to do Shop My Stash, which I plan on doing as soon as I'm organized. I'm gonna show you guys my mess, but don't judge, okay? Don't judge. This is what I have to organize. It is a disaster, it is a mess. I can't even tell you guys how many times I have cleaned this area. Honestly, I don't know what happened. Sometimes I just don't have time to put things away, especially in the morning, but I need to get this organized. My system here is just not great whatsoever, and it needs to be fixed. So that's what we are doing today. I will maybe show you guys the before and after. So here is the before. Let's get started. I'll show you guys a closer look. I have some perfumes, I have lipsticks, single eyeshadows. I have another case here that I had at my other house that I want to kind of use and fill up. I got this from my brushes. I'm going to take these brushes out and put it in here instead, just to, I don't know. I just think this will work out better for me. And I'm gonna use these for my eye pencils, lip pencils, and mascaras instead. I have more lipsticks here that I need to put there. I'm going to be decluttering some of my lipsticks as well. Excuse my mirror. This is the mirror that I got at Costco. I really like it actually, and I use this for filming too, for some extra light. And here is my other light that I use for filming that I picked up on Amazon. It's very, very small, but it fits right on top of my desk, and it's like the perfect lighting for me anyways. And then I have my camera on my little tripod. I have some eyeshadow palettes there, some more eyeshadow palettes there. Excuse me, I'm tired, obviously. And then I have some concealers, some liquid highlighters that I never use. I need to start using them. Some makeup setting sprays. I've got more makeup there. Like, you guys, this is a disaster. I'm so embarrassed to even show you guys this, but we are going to do this together. I'm sure I'm not alone. Okay, I'm not alone. I know there's other people out there that their makeup area looks like this, okay? And then we're gonna go through these drawers. See, when I'm in a rush, this is exactly what happens. I just throw things into the drawer and then I'm like, I'll just do it later. But like, look at this. I had it so organized when I first moved, but I just don't like the system in any of these drawers. Getting this from Influencer, which surprised me. I was supposed to get 2 or 3 boxes from them that never came. Not sure why, but for some reason this one came, which I'm happy about. It's 2 mascaras. One is a primer and one is their regular mascara, which I have tried. I thought it was better the first time I tried it, but I don't know. I have to keep testing it out, but I do like the primer. The primer is super lengthening and it gives you a ton of volume. So the primer I really do like. I will have to do a video on that for you guys. I'm gonna set my camera down so I can show you what I'm gonna do. This up at Winners, which is like Marshall's, TJ Maxx in the States. And I just thought this would be really good for my brushes. So let's go ahead and organize that. I did wash my brushes a few days ago. They need to be washed again, oh my goodness. But we're gonna take my powder brushes that I use for my face. out of here. I love this brush, you guys. I wish I would have picked up 2 of them. It's a brush from xoxo. It's a dupe for one of the NARS ones. And I'm so bummed I didn't get another one. But yeah, so I'm gonna put my face brushes up here. Let's do blushes, bronzer, face. I got this one at Claire's, believe it or not. It was like $5 and it's the best powder brush ever. I hope you guys can see. Let's see if I can zoom this out. Oh, I'm zooming in. Nope, that is the most I can do. And then the rest of them are my eye brushes. So these are my everyday brushes. I do have more, and I don't want to keep all of them, the ones that I have in my other closet. I will show you guys that one after. But these are the ones that I use every single day. So we're gonna use we'll put my highlighting brushes in here. We'll put eye brushes in here. Okay, I think these are all eye brushes. Yeah, all eye brushes. So you know what? Let's just put those there. And then I'm gonna go through, so that looks nice, right? I'm gonna go through my other brushes that I have in my closet and maybe just fill that up in here. Or I can put my beauty blenders in here. Yes, you know what? Let's do beauty blenders because I can see in the picture that they put beauty blenders in there, so I will do the same. Just put 2 beauty blenders in here because these are the ones that I use all the time, and the rest that I have are gonna stay in my drawer because I do have a lot more. Okay, I think what I'm going to do, you guys, is use this as my everyday makeup drawer. So I have 2 drawers here that I will fill up with either like eyeshadow primers, concealers, foundations, lipsticks. We'll see, I'm not quite sure yet. I'm gonna keep my brushes up here, and I'm also going to maybe put, no, I think I'm gonna put either wake up and makeup or but first makeup up there in that corner. What to do? Let's do but first makeup. Let's put this up here, and I'm going to put my mascaras, my everyday mascaras in here. Okay, so here are my mascaras, but some of them are actually dried up. So that one is the L'Oreal Voluminous Primer. This, I can't even tell you guys how many bottles I've gone through this stuff, but I found a replacement. I did, and I'm going to replace that with the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. Is that gonna focus? Probably not. There we go. So that's what I'm replacing that mascara with. We are going to put that in there. I also have the Rimmel Lash Accelerator. I love this mascara. This was like my go-to mascara when I first started my YouTube channel, and I believe Nicole Guerrero really liked this one. I think that's who made me buy this. But anyways, I still really enjoy this mascara and still use it every once in a while. I have my Eye Envy, which is an eye serum, and I put that, my eyelash serum, I put that on my eyelashes and my eyebrows. It is the best. I've tried so many, you guys, and this one is just, I see results within 3 weeks with that stuff. I also have the MAC Extended Play for my lower lashes. This is Holy Grail. I will not use anything else on my bottom lashes because this is the only one that doesn't smudge. Even if it says it doesn't smudge, trust me, it smudges. And I have hair in there. What's going on? Okay, this is the Annabelle Bouncy Mascara. This one's okay. I'm going to use it up though, but I don't think that I would repurchase it. And my holy grail mascaras are the Essence Lash Princess in the green and also in the purple. This one here is curved, this one is not. So we'll put that in there, and I will also put in the new Marc Jacobs mascaras as well so that I can start using that even on camera. Look at that, it's so pretty. The one thing I like about this primer is it's not white. It's got like a beige tint to it, which I really like. This is a really great primer, but to be honest with you guys, I don't think I would repurchase this because it's too expensive, and I feel like this one works just as good. It really does. But we're gonna put that in there just so I can get rid of that Marc Jacobs box. And then I'm also going to put, focus. I'm gonna put the mascara in there and use it up. But like I said, it's not as good as I thought it was the first time I tried it. Is this a new mascara or is this the one that was always around? I'm pretty sure it was. But anyways, we're gonna put that in there as well. So my mascaras are going to stay up there with my brushes. Aren't these cute? I got these at Marshall's. I thought they were really nice. Urban Decay Brow Blade. I thought I liked this, but it actually rubs off on the ends of my eyebrows and on the top of my eyebrows where I have no hair. And this does claim to be waterproof, but I do not like this as much as my Benefit one. Plus it doesn't have a spoolie at the end. The only thing I will say about this that I do like is the ink side where it has like a felt tip on the end. That I really do like. But other than that, I will not be repurchasing the Urban Decay Brow Blade, but we're gonna use it up. So I'm gonna put that in there. This is my holy grail. It's the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit, and I'm in the shade 3. So we're gonna put that in there as well, along with the Brow Setter from Benefit and Gimme Brow from Benefit as well. So we'll put that in there. 2 more brow pencils that I plan on using up first, and this is the CoverGirl one and the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. So we are going to put that in there too. 1 more brow pencil that I have, this is the Brow Contour Pro. I don't like this either. It's just too big and my eyebrows just get way too thick with this. But I do like the cleanup on it. So the definer, the nude shade, this I even use on my waterline, and I find it actually stays on my waterline. So that's how I'm gonna use this guy up. 3 liners. This is the Chubby Felt Tip Liner by Ulta Beauty, the NARS Veneto, and the Gosh Cosmetics Black Liner. So that is going to go in there as well. I have another setting brow product from Marcel. I really like this because the wand is super thin. Like, look at how thin that is. So I do really like that. I'm going to use that up. I prefer this over the Benefit one. This Benefit setter, it's just okay, but I feel like my brows are just too cemented on. And they look kind of funny. They almost like shrink up my eyebrows a little bit. I don't know, does that make sense to anybody? But anyways, I'm gonna use it up, but I will not be repurchasing this at all. And then I have my Annabelle Nude Liner. I'm going to put that in there as well in case I wanna put a nude liner in my waterline. And of course, my Gosh Cosmetics. Do I have just 2 of them? I think I just have 2. Yes, these are by Gosh Cosmetics, which we don't have here anymore, which makes me so sad, but I have tons of backups because these are like my holy grails. I use a brown liner, and this one I use for my inner corner. It's really pretty in the inner corner. You guys watched my video where I shared the 5 products that I'm not gonna be purchasing anytime soon, and lip liners was one of them. I shared all of these in that video in my description box, so go ahead and check that out. These are my everyday lip pencils. I plan on finishing 5 or 6 of these before I buy another one. So that is going in there. I'm gonna move on to this corner right here for now. I'm gonna move these lipsticks over there, and we are gonna figure out this system right here. Okay, so I came up with a plan, guys. What I'm going to do is, instead of having 2 of these that hold my palettes, I'm just gonna pick 1 to keep on my vanity, and the ones that I don't use all the time, I'm gonna put it in the bottom drawer right there. So I did make room. I took out my blushes. These are liquid lipsticks that I still kind of wear. There's a few shades in here that I'm probably going to pass on to other people. I'm just not into liquid lipsticks like I used to be. But I'm gonna go through those another day. We're gonna keep them there for now, but I'm gonna take some of those palettes and just put them at the bottom. Guys, we were actually making progress here. So I have all my eyeshadow palettes that I'm going to be using this month, and then I'll just do a rotation from this drawer right here. So that's what I'm gonna do. So far, I like it. I have a few highlighting palettes in here and blush palettes as well. And yeah, so that's what I got going on. This is, I got like a few drawers done so that you guys wouldn't be bored, but I'll just show you guys what I did. Back here, I have my eyebrow powders, some extra brow pencils that I don't really use because it's not my color, but I like to keep them anyways just in case I run out of the brow products that I have. My extra beauty blenders. I have my concealers, lip pencils, eye pencils, and primers. So that's what I have in the top drawer. Now I'm going to be going through this drawer, which is I ended up using this drawer for my bronzers and setting powders because I just did not have enough room in this drawer. So I moved my blushes on the top 2 drawers, but I did not show you guys in this video. Blushes and highlighters. I also did this drawer right here. And these are all my loose powders and my setting powders. And right here are my bronzers. So that's what I got going on so far. And it's looking a little bit better, but then I still have a lot to put away. What I'm gonna do is, these right here are my highlighters. I'm gonna put my highlighters in this drawer because I have my eye glitters all in here, which I'm obsessed with, so I have to have access to them all the time because I love putting glitter on my eyes. So that's what we're gonna do. My highlighters are gonna go right here. I like the way this is turning out. I think I'm gonna be very happy with this. I cannot wait to fill that up. So I did put my highlighters in here. So I like this so much better because I can actually see when I go to pick out my monthly makeup. I'm gonna try, well, some of it's gonna have to stay in the drawer, but I'm gonna try and fit most of it in those 2 drawers there so that I know to reach for it all the time. It's March 5th, the next day, Tuesday. I didn't get a chance to finish organizing my makeup area because I had to put my kids to bed and they need to be in bed by 8:30. If they're not in bed by 8:30, the next day is a disaster. So anyways, I'm gonna show you guys what I did so far. I'm satisfied with most of it. Some of it is still going to change, but I'm gonna try this for now. And then there's certain things that I really don't have the room for and I need to organize that behind me. And I'm not doing that today because I just don't have the time. I still have to make supper. But I wanted to show you guys what I did so far. And then this way I can do a shop my stash. And yeah, that's what you guys have been waiting for. So that's my plan before, right? Well, here is the after. I'm excited with the way it turned out. I think it looks really pretty. I don't know, when I look at this spot, it just makes me happy. You know, you just have certain things that make you happy. Makeup makes me happy. That might sound stupid to some people, but honestly, this is the time for myself. I enjoy putting makeup on. I enjoy looking at pretty things. So that's just me. I'm sure there's other people out there like that. I'm gonna pause this video. I was gonna show you guys every drawer all over again and show you how I organized it, but I kind of already showed you how I organized it, so I was just gonna go over it again. But I think what I'm going to do is just do a makeup collection video. This way I can show you guys what I own in my collection that has been highly requested on my channel anyways. So stay tuned for that in the future. For this video, I hope you guys enjoyed organizing with me. If you have any tips, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear some tips. Maybe I'm doing something wrong. Maybe I can do something better. Maybe it's not the greatest system. Let me know in the comments. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.